Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present my low-carb homemade sausage and spinach ravioli with a nice tomato cream sauce. Now you can enjoy a low-carb taste of Italy and not ruin your macros. This plate of 6 ravioli with a quarter cup of sauce is only 8.1 grams of net carbs. Let me show you how to make it. Begin by pouring a tablespoon of oil into a skillet on medium-high heat. Add 4 ounces of mild Italian sausage and cook while breaking it into small pieces. While cooking, add some dried sage, some salt, and a little black pepper. Continue cooking until all the sausage is fully browned. Add 1 tightly packed cup of fresh spinach leaves and continue cooking until the leaves have fully wilted. Remove from the heat and pour the sausage and spinach into a food processor. Give it a few pulses to break it up. We don't want to puree the sausage, only break it into very small pieces. Pour the sausage into a mixing bowl. Add about 1/3 cup of whole milk ricotta cheese and mix until combined. Cover with some plastic wrap and store in the refrigerator while we work on the rest of the meal. Now for the ravioli. Add 4 ounces of softened cream cheese to a food processor, 4 large whole eggs, 3 egg whites, and be sure to save at least one of the yolks for the sauce. Add some almond flour, xanthan gum, and a little salt. Give that a mix. Be sure to scrape down the sides as you mix. We'll be using a well-oiled silicone mold to help form and shape our ravioli. This particular mold has 30 cavities, with each measuring about 1 inch in diameter and about 3/8 of an inch in depth. I'll have a link in the description below on the exact one I'm using. Pour about 1/4 teaspoon of the ravioli batter into each cavity, just enough to cover the bottoms. Now remove the sausage mix from the refrigerator and take about 1 teaspoon or so and form it into a small disc with your hands, enough to fill 1 cavity. Repeat until all the cavities are filled. Pour the remaining batter on top of the mold and gently spread as evenly as possible, bringing it to the edges. Place in the middle of a preheated 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes or until the edges begin to brown. Remove and let cool for at least 20 minutes. After the ravioli is cooled, place a baking sheet over the top and flip upside down. Gently peel back the mold. Do this slowly, as 1 or 2 may want to stick. With a pastry cutter or knife, cut the ravioli into squares. Put some foil over the top and place in an oven heated to 170 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit to keep warm while we work on our sauce. To a sauce pot on medium heat, add 1 15-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Add some salt, ground black pepper, garlic powder, some dried basil, and some oregano. Give that a mix. Now add 1 egg yolk and mix thoroughly to combine. Add 2 tablespoons of heavy cream and mix once again. Finally, stir in 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Mix until melted. Plate some ravioli. Pour some of our sauce over the top. Garnish with some dried parsley, a little Parmesan cheese, and enjoy. Delicious. There you have it, folks. My low-carb sausage and spinach ravioli with a tomato cream sauce. A nice taste of Italy without all the carbs. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. I'll have something new every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.